वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमः ॐ विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषशून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम। So today we will be learning Narasimha Arti. So everybody knows, that's why I thought I'll make a poll in the group, because this is I think first thing we will learn. While traveling we need to sing this, in the night we sing this, in the morning we sing this.
Yeah, Mataji, everyone knows, but no one dare to say no. That is why we put yes.
Okay, so fine, we will do this again with the meaning and everything. Right. So Narasimha Dev is the symbol of what? Anybody knows? He's a symbol of? He's a symbol of protection. Right? So all demigod, all the incarnations of the Lord Vishnu, all the Leelavataras had a pastime to be performed, right? But Narasimha Dev, if you see, his pastime in itself was protecting Prahlad Maharaj. He had no other reason to incarnate, right? For this particular avatar, the only reason was to protect Prahlad Maharaj, right? And to protect Prahlad Maharaj, he had to kill Hiranyakashipu, but that was not the main reason, right? So that's why he symbolizes protection, and Narasimha Dev is famous for instant protection, right? So
Also to show he is omnipresent, no? Yes,
yeah,
everywhere.
in the pillar, right? Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Very nice. So he also, to show that he was everywhere. And he literally proved it when Hiranyakashipu asked, which pillar? This pillar, right? So from one of the pillars he came. And also one more thing is, he's so Bhaktavatsala that because Prahlad Maharaj pointed out a particular pillar, Narasimha Dev came out from that pillar. Otherwise, he could have come out from some other pillar, some other place. But to make Prahlad Maharaj words come true, right? That much of love he had for the devotee, right? So Narasimha Dev is ready to do anything for his devotees, ready to do anything, and he gives instant protection. That's why we sing Narasimha Pranam, Narasimha Arti during traveling. First thing before we start our travel, we sing this. In the night before sleeping, we sing this, right? To protect, Narasimha Arti also protects all of us from evil power also. It's not just from material, worldly dangers, but also from evil powers like ghosts, right? That's why we also wear this Narasimha Kavach, right? So Narasimha Kavach is very long to be read or sung every day. But Narasimha Arti is very short. And also Prabhupada has composed this, right? Narasimha Arti is composed by Prabhupada. Only last paragraph is taken from some other stotra, Dashavatar stotra. But otherwise, these two paragraphs are composed by Prabhupada, the pure devotee, the Acharya, right? So when we sing this, it's more beneficial and it's easy compared to Narasimha Kavach. Okay, so these are all the advantages, and today we will learn Narasimha Arti. I think most of us know Narasimha Arti, but then not with the real actual meaning and things like that. So we will delve into the Leela also, Narasimha Leela, because it's all about Narasimha Leela, Prahlad Leela, and we will sing. Hare Krishna. Let's begin. So I will sing the whole thing once, and then we can go para by para. Namaste Narasimhaya Namaste Narasimhaya Prahladaladaine Prahladaladaine Hiranyakashipurvakshaha Hiranyakashipurvakshaha Shilatankanakalaye Shilatankanakalaye Ito Narasimha Parato Narasimha Ito Narasimha Parato Narasimha Yato Yato Yami Tato Narasimha Yato Yato Yami Tato Narasimha Bahi Narasimha Hridaye Simha Bahi Narasimha Hridaye Narasimha Narasimha Madim Sharanam Prapadye Narasimha Madim Sharanam Prapadye Tava kara kamala varenakha Adbhuta shringam Dalita hiranyakashipu Tanu bhringam Keshavadrita Narahari Rupa Jaya Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha Hare Jaya Keshavadruta Narahari Rupa Jaya Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha Hare Jaya Narasimhadev Jaya Narasimhadev Narasimhadev Jaya Narasimhadev. Okay, Hare Krishna. So that's the tune, the basic tune. The standard tune. So we'll do para by para now. Only 3 paras. We'll finish this today. So who wants to try first? You can unmute.
Hare Krishna Mataji, I want to try.
Yeah, Hare Krishna Mataji. Yes.
Namaste Narasimhaya Prahladaladaini Hiranyakashipurvakshaka Shilatankanakalaye. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Thank you so much. So the meaning is, it's already here, right? So I offer my obeisances to Lord Narasimhadev, Namaste Narasimhaya, who gives joy to Prahlad Maharaj. Prahlada Lada, right? Ahlada means joy. So Prahlad Ahlada Daine. And Nakha means nails, right? So how did he kill Hiranyakashipu? He used his nails, right? So nails are like chisels on the stone-like chest of the demon Hiranyakashipu. For his devotees, the nails are like rose petals, right? So, when Prahlad Maharaj, after Hiranyakashipu killed, after Narasimhadev killed Hiranyakashipu, he was sitting there, right? All the devatas were there, and they were all very scared to go and approach Narasimhadev because he was very angry, right? Even Brahma couldn't, even Lakshmi Devi couldn't, right? So Brahma asked Prahlad Maharaj to go and near Narasimhadev and console him and things like that. So because Narasimhadev appeared for Prahlad Maharaj, right? So he gives pleasure to Prahlad Maharaj. To give pleasure only he appeared. To protect him he appeared. So only he could go, right? All of the devatas decided, and Prahlad went. The moment Prahlad Maharaj went near Narasimhadev, and offered his obeisances, Narsimha Dev put his palm on Prahlad Maharaj's head, right? Out of, love and what do you call, out of love and affection, like how, a son goes near the father, right? How a father affectionately looks at the son. Same way, he put his head, palm on the head of Prahlad Maharaj. And that time, he also had the same nails that time. Nails weren't cut. Same chisel-like nails, but they were like soft rose petals on the head of Prahlad Maharaj, right? So that's how, Prabhupada gives an analogy here. He says when a kitten is held by the mouth of the cat, the kitten is very comfortable, kitten feels protected and everything. But if the same mouth of the cat, right, if the same teeth of the cat holds a rat, imagine. So it kills, right? Rat will die, and rat is always struggling to escape, and rat is feeling the pain, right? So that's the difference. It's the same teeth, same mouth, same cat, but the way the both of them feel the pain and pleasure is very different. Same way for devotees, the Lord is always very sweet and loving, but at the same time for non-devotees, it's the same Lord who is very destructive, right? He will be punishing the miscreants, right? So that is very nice here. About the nails. Nails are explained very nicely here, right? So anybody else wants to try this para? We'll go to the next para.
I will try, Mataji.
Yes, Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Namaste Narasimha Praladaladaine Hiranyakasi Purvakshaga Silatangana-kalaye Ito Narshimo Parato Narshimo Yeto Yami Tato Narshimo Bhagi Narshimo Hridaye Narshimo Narasimha Madhim Sharanam Prabhate. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Thank you. So Narsimharti, it gives instant protection. Okay, so there was a pastime I want to share. So once Prabhupada's disciple was doing book distribution. Okay, and he went to an area with dangerous people. Okay, they wanted to attack him, because they saw the book distribution money. His pockets were filled with book distribution money, and they wanted to attack him and rob the money. Okay, so they started chasing him, and this one person, this devotee, was out of the entire devotee circle who had gone for book distribution. Okay, and he ran and ran and ran, and he reached a dead end, right? He couldn't go further, and back they are all coming chasing him, and he didn't know what to do. Okay, and he immediately, what happened, he saw the dead end there, and back they are just there behind, right, those attackers. And he immediately closed his eyes, and he started screaming, singing Narsimha prayers, this Narsimharti he sang, and he called for Prabhupada. He was like, Prabhupada, you told when we are in danger, we have to sing this, and I'm singing. Now it's your responsibility to ask Narsimhadev to protect me. And he's screaming and he's singing this song, right? Narsimharti. And you know what happened? In front of these robbers, right? One figure came. Okay, one big figure came, and that figure actually scared them, and they ran away, right? And whose is that figure? Anybody knows?
Narsimhadev.
No, actually, Prabhupada's figure came. Can you imagine? Right? So Prabhupada's figure came. So that's the power of an Acharya's words. Prabhupada has told all of us, whatever danger it could be, right? Health issues, any kind of danger, sing Narsimha's prayers and this particular song, and it'll help you, right? And his promise will never go fake. Right? So Prabhupada will definitely request. See, we cannot connect to Narsimhadev. He will not listen to us. But through Prabhupada, we can connect to Narsimhadev. Like how we are connecting to Radha Krishna through Prabhupada, right? Same way. So they will come and they will definitely protect. So it's very powerful. But the only thing that is that is main ingredient for singing this is the faith in the words of our acharyas. Sing this, you'll get the protection, right? And instant protection you'll get. And it has happened also. It has happened true in one Mataji's case also, right? Midnight, she had to go home alone. And she also didn't know what to do. She had jewelry and everything, right? And nobody was there, and it was very dark, right? So she also started reciting Narsimha Narsimharti, and one auto driver was actually trying to attack her. Okay, when she attacked, from nowhere a police, when she sang this Narsimharti, from nowhere a police jeep came, and they dropped her home also. Can you imagine? From nowhere it came, right? So Krishna will send us for protection. Send for protection if we have faith. So, yeah, second para, who wants to try? Yes.
Shall I try, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Ito Narsimha Parato Narsimho Yato Yato Yami Tato Narsimha Bahir Narsimho Hridaye Narsimho Narasimhadim Sharanam Prapadye. Hare Krishna.
Hi Krishna, thank you Mataji. So here, Ito Narsimha, Parato Narsimha, right? Narsimha is here, Lord Narsimha is also there. Yato Yato Yami Tato Narsimha, he is in the heart. Wherever I go, there is Narsimha. Yato Yato Yami, right? Wherever I go, there is Lord Narsimha. And Bahir Narsimha, Hridaye Narsimha. Bahir, outside also there is Narsimha. Hridaye, there, in the heart also there is Narsimha, right? And like Kiruba Shankar Prabhu was saying, no, the Narsimha Dev is everywhere. Every pillar had Narsimha Dev, not just that particular pillar. But he just came out from that particular pillar because Prahlad pointed out to that pillar, right? So that's why Prabhupada says everywhere there's Narsimha. There's source of protection everywhere. We just have to call for it, right? And Narsimha Madim Sharanam Prapadya. This is important. I surrendered to Lord Narsimha, the origin of all the things and the supreme refugee. Prayer to Lord Narsimha. And this one is taken by Jayadev Goswami's Dashavatara Stotra. Okay, so Narasimha Madam Sharanam Prapadya. If you surrender, then you'll get the instant protection automatically. Okay, so who wants to try the same thing again?
Hare Krishna Mataji, can I try?
Yes, Pranam, Hare Krishna.
Pranam Mataji. Ito Narsimha Parato Narsimho Yato Yato Yami Tato Narsimha Ito Narsimha Parato Narsimha Yato Yato Yami Tato Narsimha Bahir Narsimho Hridaye Narsimho Narasimhadim Sharanam Prapatye Bahir Narsimho Hridaye Narsimho Narasimhadim Sharanam Prapatye. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji, thank you so much. Yeah, so surrendering is important, and then we'll get, so having faith and having that surrender bhav is very important. Okay, next, this is the one taken from Dashavatara Stotra, written by Jayadev Goswami. So Jayadev Goswami is a devotee of Lord Jagannath, right? He used to stay in Puri, and yeah. Who wants to try the last para? Ganeshan Prabhu, you want to try?
No, I thought of singing that. Yes,
Swan, you want to try? You can
I'll
try.
try after some. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
You can sing this, then we will go to the next para.
Okay. Hare Krishna. All glories to Srila
Hare
Prabhupada. Prabhupada ki jai. Ito Narsimha Parato Narsimho Yato Yato Yami Tato Narsimha Bahir Narsimho Hridaye Narsimho Narasimhadim Saranam Prabhatye. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhu, thank you. Yeah. Now next, last para, anybody wants to try? Or repeat?
I'll try, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Yeah.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. तव कर कमलवरे नकाम अद्भुत श्रृंगाम दालिता हिरण्यकशिपो तनुभृंगाम केशवधृत नरहरिरूपा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे हरे कृष्णा माता जी
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Thank you. So, Tabakara Kamala, right? So, the hand, we were discussing this initially, right? So, here it's given very nicely, it is explained that his hands, like, or the palms, Kara, Kamala, right? His hands are like lotus flower, that soft it is for his devotees. But for the demons, it's very, it's like a weapon, it's like a chisel, right? So, O Keshava, Lord of the universe, Lord Hari, who have assumed the form of half lion, right? Keshava Dhrita. So it's Lord Keshava or Krishna who's got the form or who's taken the form of Narahari. That is half man. Nara is man and Hari. Hari, right? So it's half man and half lion form, Narasimha, right? And all glories to you. Just as one can easily crush a vase between one's fingernails, so in the same way, the body of wasp-like demon Hiranyakashipu has been ripped apart by the wonderful pointed nails on your beautiful lotus hands. Okay, Tavakara Kamalavare Nakham. So his nails are chisel-like for ripping apart Hiranyakashipu, a demon, right? So look at the comparison given, how one can easily crush a wasp, an insect between our fingernails, right? How we can just crush an insect. Same way he crushed the body of Hiranyakashipu with his nails, just his nails, nothing else, right? So how did he kill Hiranyakashipu with his nails? What did he do?
He torn the
Tore him open.
He
Sir,
tore open the chest and he took all
stomach.
the stomach
The
and he took all.
intestines came out.
Yeah, intestines came out. He just tore open, ripped apart, and he was taking away all the nerves and everything, right? And he was making a garland of it around his neck, right? He was so angry, and that is actually giving pleasure. Hiranyakashipu was actually giving pleasure to the Lord, right? But the problem with Hiranyakashipu was he could not recognize Narsimhadev as Lord. He was thinking he is something, he could not recognize. So that was the issue, right? But actually, Hiranyakashipu, yeah, the intestines and he was making garlands and putting around his neck, right? So that's how powerful his nails were, right? That's how powerful his nails were. And yeah, so anybody wants to try this last para again?
Tavakara Kamalavare Nagam Adbhuta Shringam Talita Hiranyakasipu Tanubringam Kesavadita Narahari Rupa Jayo Jagadish Hare Jayo Jagadish Hare Jayo Jagadish Hare Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Thank you so much. Anybody else wants to try this? Or any other para that you like or anything?
Mataji, last paragraph, shall I try?
Yes, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Tava kara kamalavare naka adbhuta shringa दलित हिरण्यकशिपु तनुभृङ्गा केशवधृता नरहरिरूपा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे। हरे कृष्ण माता जी।
Hare Krishna. Thank you all. So very easy but very powerful song, right? So my suggestion is whenever you sing, always meditate on the meaning of the song, right? So this the song glorifies any bhajan for that matter is the glorification of the Lord, right? So without knowing the meaning, if you just sing, then you're singing for the sake of it. But we understand and meditate upon the meaning when we sing. When you say namaste, right? When you say namaste Narsimhaya, oh, the meaning is offering obeisances to Lord Narsimha. So like that, meditate upon the meaning when you sing each line. Then what happens? You're from heart, you're glorifying the Lord. Then that is actually devotional service, right? And you'll see the results also. That's a small suggestion I wanted to give you all. Hare Krishna, anything you want to add?
Mataji, can you please repeat again that last verse was from which book and who wrote it?
Jayadev Goswami wrote it. It's from Dashavatara Stotra. So this is just one verse. It's a Dashavatara Stotra where he's glorified each Leela avatar of the Lord, right? The Matsya avatar, Kurma avatar, all Varahadev, Narsimhadev, everything, right? Till Balram. So out of which Prabhupada took only this paragraph, I mean Narsimhadev, and he added here. It's by Jayadev Goswami.
Thank you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Okay. We'll end or anything else?
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Mataji, what about the prayers before the Aarti, Mataji?
Which one? That we can add. Ugram Viryam Mahavishnum, right?
Yeah, yes, Mataji.
Yeah, we can add. Many devotees have made that a practice. They start, before singing this, they start with Ugram Viryam Mahavishnum Jvalantam Sarvatomukham Narasimham Bhishanam Bhadram Mrityur Namamyaham Shri Narasimha Jai Jai Shri Narasimha Prahladeshu Jaya Padma Mukha Padma Bhringa. And then they start with Namaste Narasimhaya. Yeah, thank you, Prabhu, for adding this. I had forgotten. It's not officially added, but a lot of devotees have made that a practice to start with Ugram Virya Mahavishnu. We can also do that. Okay. Hare Krishna. Okay, we'll end. So tomorrow, next.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Prabhu. Next class, we will be learning Tulsi Aarti. Okay, like entirely from Tulsi Pranam Mantra till Pradakshina Mantra, everything. Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्ण माता जी।
Hare Krishna
Hare Krishna.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you,
Bye
Mata.
bye.
Hare Krishna
Hare
Mataji.
Krishna Mataji.
Vancha
Hare Krishna. Thank you.
Sindhubhya eva cha patitanam pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo
Vaishnavibhyo
namo
namo namah.
Anantakoti Vaishnavaki Jai Shri Prabhupada ki. Hare Krishna. Thank you.